Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. If you guys are, for those of you who are following along, this is going to be the Judge Dredd badge, part 3. This will be the final part. Hopefully I'll be done with it, and so you'll be able to see how I created it. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open up where we left off. We just have to add a few more parts to the Judge Dredd badge and it will be finished. So we'll go ahead and open this. And we'll go ahead and click on the badge. This is the badge so far. And stay there. Okay, I just have to add this side of it and then we're done. And maybe try to figure out why these became two pieces when they're supposed to just be one. Let's see. Okay, gotta delete that center part. Delete. 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 I'm not really sure why those got put in there like that. It's a little odd. Okay, that's better. So we'll go ahead and click on that face, hit plan view. Actually, let's take it to the top. Okay, now I'm going to put in the pieces over here. I'll go ahead and draw those in. Let's Control plus. Normally I would just draw right on top of the part, but this has a lot of pieces, a lot of different layers. Things are not the same on this badge, so I'm drawing it on the actual loose on the part. So okay, so we're going to come over here. And we'll drag over. I'm going to drag up to there. Drag over, and then we'll drag up to where we started. Okay. Then we'll go ahead and put in our corners. Corner rounder there. Corner rounder there. Okay. Now we're going to do, let's try the offset line. And let's get both of these, or all three of these pieces, and we'll just offset over to here. Okay, now we're going to get our corner rounder. Okay, that looks like one piece there, and then we're going to do the same thing. Grab this, hold down the control key, do our offset, and then we'll come over to here. And I'm going to get rid of these. Okay, then we're going to go get the line tool. Got to come down a little bit lower for these. Okay, get the rounded corner. Not wanting to round the corner. Let's Control plus so we can zoom in a little bit more. Create corner rounder. Click there. Okay, that's good. Now let's put the last line in there. From there, straight down. And then over. Okay, let's go select the click off, corner round. Okay, let's go ahead and trim away on this. Control minus. Let's grab these, select these. Let's go ahead and move, grab the green. Let's move over, let's move this up. Okay, looks like it's going to need to be rotated and probably scaled down. So we'll go ahead and fill this. Go ahead and pan up. Let's actually, let's not fill those. Let's just rotate them. Okay, about to there. And then select those. Let's come in here, Control plus. Let's pan over. I've got to offset these lines a little bit. So let's select the line. Let's go to offset. It's offset 0.01. Okay, let's do the same with that. Let's undo. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. 0.010. Okay, let's offset this. .010. Okay, this is going to be our piece that we need to extrude, so we'll have to Control plus a couple times. Let's pan over. Let's get our extend. I see a couple of lines here that need to go up. Okay, now you're going to have to cap these lines off. So endpoint to endpoint, endpoint to endpoint, endpoint to endpoint. Okay, let's pan up, make sure they're connected at the bottom there. Alright, let's go ahead and trim away on these. Let's get those, trim those little pieces away. Let's pan up. Alright, let's grab our line tool, go from endpoint to endpoint. Let's get rid of this line here, we don't need it, delete. Let's get our trim away tool. Control minus, Control minus. Let's pan down, Control minus. Let's select this. Go to fill, Control minus. Go ahead and select this. Just this. Hold down Control key. Let's go to pull. Let's click on the scale. Let's click there and click and drag smaller. Okay, now we're going to move this. Grab the green arrow. Move it up to about there. Grab the red arrow. Move it over. Okay, let's pan down. Still got to scale this, so go ahead and pull. Click the scale. Click the corner there and pull toward to the left. Okay, let's go ahead and get the move. Let's drag up and then drag over. Gonna have to rotate this, so grab the red one and just rotate that just a little bit. Grab the green arrow, let's push that up a little bit, and then grab the red arrow, drag it over a little bit. Okay, let's go ahead and go to the plan view, go to top view, and now you're going to have to pull these, and then you might have to pull them down a little bit individually. Let's spin this, let's go Control plus. Go ahead and click on all of these. Grab the pull. Let's pull these up to 010. Okay, now I'm going to have to get these pieces here. Hold down the Control. And then we're going to go move. you're going to grab the blue. Let's pan this over. Spin it a little bit. Let's go to move. For some reason it's not working. Let's get all of these pieces. Okay. Can't move it now. It's not moving like it did on this one. Alright, let's just try to move this anchor point over to here. Grab the green. Oh, it's not working. Throw plus. Okay. Click till all that line is selected. Let's go to move. Let's grab the green, blue. No, it's not moving. Alright, how does this have to look? This is bigger on the left side, so it has to be bigger on the right side. So we got to grab this side anyways. So let's grab all of that. Let's grab the blue. There we go. And it was 0.9, I think, on this one. And then get rid of that middle piece if we can. Okay, let's just do it this way. Grab these. There's actually 4 pieces on there, so yeah, this one's not moving. Yeah, that one's not wanting to move. Let's try these. Those aren't moving either. Let's spin this. Okay, that one moved okay. That's nice and flat. For some reason the other ones just aren't wanting to move. Let's try it this way. There it goes. Oh, that's moving the whole thing. Don't want to do that. Well, doesn't look like this is gonna work over here. These worked fine, but just these aren't working for some reason. Let's try again. Select first, move, grab the blue arrow. Oh, it's not working. Let's see if I can rotate that. I think that's what I was doing. I was rotating it. So click the face. Let's get the lines. Let's try it this way. Well, guess what I can do is pull these down. Pull them down to about 0.40, and then I can move it on the green like that. That's probably equal to what I was doing. Okay, we'll keep it like that. Let's go ahead and pull these down 0.40, and then let's move, grab the green, and then we'll just rotate these up. Yeah, that's good enough. That'll work. Rotate them down a little bit more. Let's pull this down 0.40, and then hit move, and then just grab the green arrow and rotate it. Rotate it down a little bit. All right, this is pretty much the results we were looking for. Let's go ahead and go to top view. Yeah, that'll be fine. Okay, let's put these in here now. Let's go to Control Plus. Let's pan over. Let's just put a line in here like this. Okay, remember, just go ahead and put a line, put one line in there like this. And then put another line in there like that. I think there's a couple of these, right? Guess I deleted that. Let's go back. Okay, let's see where we're at. So there's 1, 2, then there's 1, 2, 3 on the other side. Okay, let's pan over. Alright, you're gonna have to get rid of these lines. These aren't not the right angle. Let's go ahead and put a line in there. Let's put that. Actually, let's just do this. Let's offset this. I'm gonna offset. Let's offset it. 0.156. Let's get rid of it. Let's undo. All right, let's Control Plus, pan this over. Let's select all of that. I'm going to rotate this. I'll move. I'm going to grab the blue. Got to rotate slow. Right there. Okay, click to click off. So we're going to create these again. Delete. Delete. Let's grab the line tool. Let's put one in there. Select the click off. Let's grab the other one. Select the click off. Okay, now we're going to go over here to this one. Undo. Let's put one there. Select the click off. Grab the line tool. let's grab a third one. Just get rid of that line. That's not straight enough. Let's go. Okay, let's get those. I got 3 in there. Let's move this over a little bit. So we'll do offset. Move it over to about there. Then we're going to get rid of this line. Then we're going to extend this one up. So we'll click there, click there. Okay. And then we're going to go trim away. Can't really trim that away. We're going to have to just get rid of it. Delete. 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 Delete all these lines. Okay. Get rid of that little line right there. Okay. So now we're going to go ahead and put a line right in here to there. Grab our trim away tool. Okay, you got these two to extrude, and now we're going to go put a line from here over to here. All right, now we'll go trim away. We're going to trim away these little tiny pieces in the bottom. All right, now we're going to go ahead and spin this. Go to pull. We're going to pull these. Actually, let's offset a line in there. Let's go back to top view. Let's go to Control Plus. Let's pan over. And then we'll do offset. Grab that line, offset 0.010. Then we're going to offset this 0.010. Okay, I'm going to do the same here. Offset this 0.010. Let's offset that 0.010. Then we're going to offset this 0.010. Okay. 0.010. All right. Now we're going to extrude this stuff. Let's go ahead and get rid of these. Get rid of that line. Select. Let's go to the green. Delete. Delete. Okay, let's go ahead and put a line in here. Uh-oh. Let's go back to undo. Okay, let's get these. Control plus. Let's get a line tool. Let's go from endpoint. Endpoint right there. Forever bothered, man. I'm telling you. Okay, let's go. Let's go to pull. Select both of those. Jeez. Go to pull. I didn't want those to be I wanted these to be separate. So let's pan over. Let's Control plus, pan over. Let's get trim away. For some reason I can't trim those away. No. This is the last bit of the model too. It's really becoming a pain. Let's Control plus. All right. All right, let's just get rid of these. Gonna have to redraw these. They just don't seem to be wanting to work. All right, let's go to the top view. Let's click on that face there. Let's all right. Okay, I'm going to start with an offset on this line here. See if this is going to work. Okay, so I'll offset that 0.010. No. Okay, I'm just going to manually offset. I'm going to do one there. I'm going to do one there. And then we're going to put one in there. Then I will offset these all the way over to here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I'm going to get the line. Just going to go at an angle here, close to the top of the eagle. Do the same on this side. Get another line, go from the bottom. Angle that over like this. Let's grab the line tool, come from here over to here. Let's get the trim away. Okay, let's trim these away. Get these. Okay, now let's Control plus, let's pan over. Let's do an offset on this. 0.010. Okay. Let's go extend. Extend that piece to, no, I don't want a corner. Extend. There to there. That piece. Okay, there we go. All right. So now let's get our line tool back in there. Go from endpoint to endpoint. All right, now you're going to have to Control plus. Let's pan over. Get the trim away tool. We'll grab that piece there and that little tiny piece right next to it. Okay. All right, that's going to be those two over there. Now we'll go the same over here. Control plus. Let's offset. Let's go 0.010. 0.010. Okay, let's move this line down, offset. 0.010. Alright, let's get rid of that. Let's trim away. Let's pan down. Trim away. Let's trim away these. Let's go to extend this over to here. Alright, hopefully this is going to work, because this is already in the third video. Okay, let's get our line tool and connect these. Control minus. Pan over, let's extrude these, so spin. Let's pull. Go to 010. Okay, so it looks like the left side is lower, it's the same as the other one, so we'll go ahead and move. We'll click there, we'll grab the blue. We'll move down 0.040. We'll click that one, move down 0.0, can't read it, the thing's in the way. Alright, now we're going to have to, these are too tall, so now we're going to have to move them down. So let's go 0.030. Alright, so now we're going to have to go bigger on this side. So this is going to have to come down over here on this side. So Control plus. Let's grab that arrow. Let's move 0.030 or 50. Let's go 0.40. Grab the blue. 0.40. Now let's grab these and move them down. Pull them down a little bit. 0.30. 0.30 and 0.30. Okay, let's go view from the top. All right, let's go ahead and spin this. I'm going to actually Control plus. Let's pan over. We're going to pull these up so they're higher. So select these right here, and then we're going to drag them up 0.110. We'll do the same on these. Pull 0.110. Okay, now we're going to spin, make sure those are close to the top. That might be a little too close. Okay, let's go pull on these, make these lower. Let's go 0.40, move those down 0.40, and then move these down 0.40. Okay, let's go ahead and spin. Let's grab pull again. Let's pull this up a little bit higher, 0.050. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. This is a little offset here. The only way I know to fix that would be to come in here, Control plus, spin this. Let's grab this right here and move. Okay, let's spin. That's pretty close. And then let's grab this. Let's grab this line right here. And we'll go to move. Grab the red arrow. Actually, it's not working. It's Control plus. Let's pan over. Click the move. Let's click this right there. Grab the green. Let's move that over a little bit. Let's spin this. Alright, that looks better. The only other thing we got to do is add some detail to these fins. Let's pan down. Let's Control plus. Coming on to pan over. Let's click till everything is selected and then drag a chamfer on these, 0.020. Do the same there. 0.020. Let's go ahead and scroll over or pan over. Let's get these. We want 0.020 right there. Let's get these. And then get these right here. Okay, let's go to top view. It's not perfect, but I think with a little bit of modifications, you'll be able to make one that's to your liking. Go ahead and spin this. See what it looks like. Got these things are alright. We need to add some, okay, we already added the fillets to there. Did we add fillets to these? I don't think so. Let's pan over. Let's do a little spin here. Let's go ahead and try to add some chamfers to these. Okay, let's go. Let's do an 0.10 on those. Click till everything is selected. Drag in 0.10. Click till everything's select, 0.10. This one has a funny little piece in there. Not sure how that got created, but I know I can't delete it, so. Alright, so we're gonna have to improvise there. Let's go pull. Wow, that kind of got weird. Okay, I'm gonna have to leave it. I think the other ones are gonna have to be left too, because they're the same way. Let's try one. See, it's almost like it's two separate pieces, but not really sure how that happened. Okay, I'm gonna leave it, so let's just go. Let's leave those as well. It's okay up here. Alright, so let's go to top view. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that reference file. This is going to be our Judge Dredd badge. Took a little bit of work to do it in Design Spark Mechanical, but it is possible. Probably be better to just draw this right with the graphic on top. I was drawing it with the graphic over here because a lot of this stuff is, some of it's extruded and some of it is extruded, and then another left or right hand side is lower than the other side, so I was kind of doing that so it wouldn't get too confusing, but don't look too bad. I think it came out alright. The only other thing I might do on this is go ahead and select that entire piece, give it a little radius, 0.5. Spin that around, see how it looks. Okay, that's going to be the Judge Dredd badge, 3 parts. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and you got something useful out of the video. Thanks again for watching.